Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about dividend stocks, and we also talk about passive income. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, today we'll talk about the top stocks. Those include Tesla, rising over 2.88%. Also, SoFi Technologies raising 2.90. OneMain Financial up 4.56%, a dividend stock, and ticker symbol NUE or Nucor. Nucor was up 6.21%. So those were some of the top stocks today. And as always, continue to watch my videos here. Did a video on Nvidia reaching $1 trillion. And here I did a video on Marvel Technology surging over 32% in the last week. Okay, so let's go to my Robinhood portfolio. Okay, here we are in the Robinhood portfolio. And as you can see, we were up 1.43% for a gain of $31 on the stock movement today. Okay, so we stayed out of the red, and it was just all indexes were in the green. Okay, so that was small cap, mega tech, Dow and Jones Industrial all up today on the good news of the stock market. Okay, so Amazon shares were up 1.13%, and there was rumors that Amazon may go into the mobile phone business. So Amazon shares rallied today up 1.13%. As I mentioned earlier, NUE or Nucor rally over 6.53%. Now, they did tumble about a week ago. So if we look here at the week chart, they've had some ups and downs. So they were down as much as low as 130 last week. But today they spiked back up to 141. Okay, so that was Nucor. Nucor, I hold a little over $35 position, and I have a positive gain of 21% in that position. Okay, so that's Nucor up over 6% on the day. That is a top stock there. Okay, so let's take a closer look at Tesla. Tesla was another top stock today. Ticker symbol TSLA was up over 3%. And again, Tesla's stock has been surging over 10% over the last month. It was hovering around 170 last month, and this month it's already got off to a good start on the day, up 3.12%. So let's look at the last month. As you can see, last month the stock was trading as low as 161, but it is now broken the $200 threshold. So Tesla stock has been rallying since May 4th. May 4th of last month, the stock has rallied from 161 all the way up to $215 per share. Okay, so that's Tesla shares today, rally over 3% on the day. A lot of good gains on the stock. Okay, so that was another top stock of the day. And see here. Another one I like here. Okay. Dollar Tree shares did rally a little bit today. This is a consumer goods store. Dollar Tree shares were up 3% on the day. Okay, so that's another hot stock of the day. Okay, so it was all indexes. So if we go to CNBC, you'll see the Dow Jones index was up 2% today. The S&P 500 stocks were up over 1.45%. Nasdaq stocks, technology stocks are over 1%, and even your Russell 2000 stocks, that includes stocks like ChargePoint and SoFi, was up over 3.56%. Okay, so it was a great day all over the map. Whether you're in really stable stocks that pay dividends, whether you're in the top 500 or you're in the technology stocks, all stocks had a winning day this Friday. Okay. Now let's take a look at the TD account, and TD account was up 1.48%. The top cash earner today was Tesla, over 3% for a gain of $300. Ford shares were up 2% for a gain of $40. SoFi shares were up 2% for a gain of $40. And One Main Financial shares were up 4.56%. Now remember, the reason why SoFi shares are surging over the last week is part of the debt ceiling deal is that within 60 days, by August something, student loan repayments will start. Okay, so that means many more Americans will be breaking down their budgets to include that student loan payment. And that means SoFi Technology will get some more revenue from those student loan payments. Okay, now they do student loan refinances. So again, SoFi could be a great place to borrow money or refinance your student loan debt. Okay, but the stock has been surging. If we take a quick look over the last week since the announcement, SoFi shares are up over 10%. If we look at SoFi's stock, the technology stock has been rallying over 22% since last week, since the announcement during the debt ceiling deal that student loan repayments would continue. Okay, so that's part of SoFi Technologies. They do personal loans, student loans, and home loans. And so they are part of that flywheel of the new fintech bank. It's all virtual. It's all online. It's no longer a brick and mortar deal. And you can also trade stocks on the platform. So SoFi Technologies did rally on the great news of student loan repayments to restart in August. And so that's going to be more revenue for the new fintech bank. Okay, so that is one of the top stocks today. Again, remember Tesla stock surged over 3%. We talked about Tesla earlier over the last month, surging over 20-something%. So those are my top stocks. Again, we did have a few weak spots. Really quick, we did have ChargePoint. They did have a bad forecast during the earnings call. Shares dropped over 6%, but we did have AMD cool off, one of the semiconductors company, down 1.69%. Also, Nvidia shares down 1.35%. And also Okta did struggle. They lost quite a bit in the last 2 days, over 15% after the earnings call. Okta did not have a great forecast going forward, but the shares dropped back down quite a bit, over 15%. But I would think some opportunities, definitely Nvidia, AMD, both semiconductors, and also Marvel Technologies. I think some of these stocks that are having to do with AI are just doing a slight pullback, and next week we'll see a rally from some of these semiconductor companies. Okay, so those were the interesting opportunities. Again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get started on your investment journey, please use the Robinhood link below. And y'all have a great weekend.